So I'm going to show you how to fix your audio output when it's coming out of only the left ear or maybe the right ear. So basically, what you're going to want to first make sure is that your audio outputs are both coming out of the left and the right speakers. One of these may not be selected, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. So simply go over to DaVinci Resolve under Preferences. You're going to want to go to Video and Audio Input and Output. And you're going to want to scroll down here, and one of these might be unassigned. You're going to want to make sure that each one of these are assigned to 1 and 2, and then click Save. This should resolve your issue. If it doesn't, you're going to want to check your inputs to your mic. So under Track Input, making sure that each of the left and the right audios are selected and patched to your mic. This may have also been the issue, as you may have only had one of these selected. I hope that helps. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.